Did you know that you can save up to 15% on your monthly electric bill without the hassle of installing solar panels on your roof? That means no upfront costs, no installation hassle, no ongoing maintenance or expenses, and no change to your current utility provider. This is now possible with Syncarpha's Community Solar Program. Community solar is a new option for homeowners and renters to access the many benefits of solar energy by subscribing to our local solar farms in your area. These solar farms produce clean energy that's fed into the local utility grid, and our subscribers benefit every month by saving money while supporting local, clean, renewable energy. And it's absolutely free to join. So, how does it work? When you sign up, we do all the work for you, connecting your current utility to our nearby solar farm and sizing your share according to your electric usage. When the solar project goes live, you will receive credits based on that month's solar production on your utility bill, which you use to offset your electric usage. You pay the remaining balance, if any, to your utility. You will then receive a bill from Syncarpha at the 10 to 15% discounted rate for the credits received. Think of it as buying a gift card to use on your utility bill, but you buy the gift card at a discount, saving you money every month. It's really that simple. And did we mention that it's absolutely free to sign up? Join us and our thousands of community solar subscribers on our mission to widespread adoption of clean, affordable solar energy. Go green, go solar, go community solar with Syncarpha. Now servicing customers in Maine connected with Central Maine Power.